The 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLE Coupé steps into the spotlight with a safety performance that feels reassuring from the moment you look at the data. Euro New Car Assessment Program evaluated the coupé in depth, and the results paint a picture of a vehicle designed to take care of the people inside as well as those outside. With the CLE Coupé, Mercedes-Benz seems to have focused on real-world protection and consistency, rather than just chasing high numbers. During frontal impact testing, the passenger compartment stayed stable and maintained its shape, which is one of the strongest indicators of a vehicle that can withstand sudden forces. Dummy readings showed strong protection for the knees, chest, head, and femurs. Mercedes-Benz also demonstrated that occupants of different sizes sitting in various positions would receive a similar level of safety. In side barrier and side pole tests, the CLE Coupé delivered maximum points, again protecting all critical areas and minimizing intrusion. Rear impact performance was equally impressive, showing strong support from the head restraints and seats to help limit whiplash. Even in far-side collisions, the coupe managed excursion effectively, reducing the risk of occupants making contact with one another. A well-performing center airbag helped the CLE Coupé achieve these results. For younger passengers, the CLE Coupé scored well across both the 6-year-old and 10-year-old crash test simulations. Protection was strong in frontal and lateral impacts, and the vehicle automatically detects child restraints in the front passenger seat and disables the airbag. Every tested child seat type could be installed without issues, which is not always the case in tight coupe cabins. Outside the vehicle, the CLE Coupé includes an active hood design that raises on impact to help protect pedestrians or cyclists. Head impact protection results were mostly strong, and the vehicle excelled in knee, tibia, pelvis, and femur performance. The autonomous emergency braking system does a solid job identifying pedestrians, cyclists, motorcyclists, and vehicles, even during more challenging turning scenarios. The CLE Coupé also supports drivers with intelligent lane assistance, speed limit recognition, and attention monitoring to help identify fatigue. These systems gently guide drivers rather than overwhelm them, which makes the coupe feel more natural to drive while still providing constant protection.